Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. We are doing block 2 and this is 2.4, caring for others. What can you see in this picture students? Here we can see that it is a green park. We can see some people walking at a distance and we see a young girl offering a drink to the elderly lady. Okay, she is offering the drink to the elderly lady because the lady is sitting on a wheelchair. Tell me students, who uses a wheelchair? Yes, you are right. People who cannot walk properly, they use the wheelchair. We already know that some people around us are old, may have differently abled bodies. Today we will explain how to treat and care for such people. Right? Now let us see the picture of 3 people. Right? Here we have, in this picture we can see, in the first picture you can see a man walking, okay, he cannot see properly. In the second picture you can see an elderly man holding his bag, he cannot climb the stairs. In the third picture we can see a man sitting on the wheelchair. Okay, so how can you help these people? Okay, that is the lesson about. Now let us learn the keywords. Differently abled, a person who cannot see, hear, speak, think or walk like others. Braille, a language for people who cannot see properly. Sign language, to communicate with signs made with hands and other body movements. Right? Okay, what problems do the people in the pictures face? Okay, this was the picture, right? Can we have a closer look of this picture? Okay, in this picture, in the first part we can see a man walking, trying to walk, he cannot see properly. Second picture, he cannot climb the stairs. Third picture, he is on the wheelchair, he can't walk. So how can you help these people? What problems do they have? Can't see, can't climb stairs and can't walk. There is a person who cannot see, a person who cannot climb stairs, he is in a wheelchair, and a person with back pain. People who cannot see, hear, speak, think or walk like others are called differently abled person. Okay, people who cannot see, hear, speak, think or walk are called differently abled people. How should you help differently abled people and old people? How can we help them? We should talk, spend time and play with them. We should do things for them if they ask for help. For example, we can help a person who cannot see to cross the road. We should not make fun of them. Similarly, we should also help all people. Okay. Now the question is, how do differently abled people do daily activities? Right? People who cannot hear or speak use sign language to communicate. People who cannot walk properly use a wheelchair or a walking stick. People who cannot see learn to read using Braille script. Okay, people who cannot hear, they use the sign language. People who cannot walk use a wheelchair or a walking stick. People who cannot see learn to read using the Braille script, right? Okay. Now let's open the workbook, right? Take your pencil, put today's date, read the question. Okay, open your workbook to 2.4. I repeat 2.4, caring for others. Question 1, tick the differently abled person in the picture. Which person is differently abled? Okay, one person is on the wheelchair, he cannot climb the stairs. Another person in picture B, the man can easily climb the stairs. So, which person is differently able? You have to tick that box, right? Write 2 ways you can help an old person at home. How can you help a old person at home? We can, okay, we should respect them, talk with them, play with them, ask them if they want anything and bring it to them. Okay, there are many ways in which you can help these people, and choose the correct words to fill in the blanks. In the help box, 3 words are given: sign language, wheelchair, Braille script. People who cannot see learn to read using Braille script. People who cannot walk, talk, take the help of a wheelchair, right? Right, students? That's all for now. Have a good day.